Good morning everyone, welcome back again. So today again we are here for our next Montessori activity. That's it, how to use a fork and knife. See, whenever we go to the hotels or restaurants, there we need to use these types of two things to eat our food. Okay, so there is a procedure how to hold the knife and how to hold the fork. So today ma'am is going to tell you how can we use the fork and knife during our meal time. Ready everyone? So get ready with your eatables on your table. So I can see Aryavir is ready. Let me show you all my table also. Very nice. So can you see over here a plate is here, and in my plate I have put a banana over there, and in my one hand I have knife, in my another hand I have my fork. So how to use it? How to use it? There are so many questions. There may be so many questions in your mind. Everyone may be struggling to use a knife and fork. It's very simple. It's very simple. I'm telling you, just follow the steps. Just follow the steps. So first of all, you have to put your knife. You have to put your knife and fork in your hands. Okay? Put your knife in the hand that you use to write. Put your knife in the hand that you use to write. Okay? That you use to write with. Done? Done? Now use your pointy fingers. Use your pointy fingers on the back of the knife and fork. On the back of the knife and fork like this. Okay? Use your pointy fingers. These are our pointy fingers. Now how we are going to put our pointy fingers? On the back of the knife and back of the fork. Ma'am is showing you. Okay? Now what you have to do? You have to remember 3 words. You have to remember 3 words. Stab, slide and saw. So what we are going to do first? You have to step the food. Step the food by using your fork. By using your fork, step the food with the fork. Slide the knife down the back of the fork like this. So it's ready to eat. Okay? Now we have cut our food by using our knife and we have stabbed the fork in our food. Now we are going to eat. It's yummy, yummy. Okay? Very nice. Again, let's do it one more time. Okay? Step the fork in your knife. Cut it by using your knife. And so, it's done. Now, eat it. Done? Everyone? Yes? Very nice, very nice. Now let me observe you all how you are holding the knife and fork. Dash, hold it properly, bacha. As I told you, put your pointy finger on the back of your knife, on the back of the fork. Like this. First of all, learn how to hold the knife and fork. Very nice, very nice. Good. Well done, superb. So these are coming in our table manners also, okay? So we are learning the table manners also, how we are eating. Everyone observe us during the meal time that how the child is eating, okay? So we have to learn these table manners, okay? Now today you all have learned how to eat the food by using fork and knife. Thank you so much.
पूछती हूँ, आंसर करो।
Now we are going to learn one new more concept of heaviest, lightest. Heaviest, lightest. Okay. So whenever, my dear kids, whenever we measure or compare the weight of more than two objects or two things, there we use the term heaviest and lightest. Okay. See, I have three things. One is water bottle, one is tape roll, and one is my phone. Okay, one is my phone. So three objects I am having it. The bottle is filled with water. So I am going to lift them one by one. Okay, first I am lifting the tape. I can easily lift it. Then phone, then water bottle. So I am feeling that it is more heavy in these three objects. So the heaviest one is water bottle, filled with water bottle. So Aryavi, tell me, Aryavi, can you lift the flag? Can you lift the flag? Okay. Can you lift the chair on which you are sitting? Can you lift the chair now?
Yes.
Okay, put it down, put it down, put it down. Can you lift your table now? Okay, put it down, put it down. So, have you observed the weight of these three things, Aryavi? Which one is the lightest? Which one is the lightest?
The flag one, ना? बताओ मैम को.
The flag one.
The flag one is the lightest. Very good, my dear kids. Now let's learn this concept through more pictures. So welcome you all here. Now today we are going to learn one more concept of measurement, that is heaviest and lightest. Heaviest and lightest. Heaviest and lightest. Okay, so we need to put more power to lift the heaviest one, and we can easily lift the lightest one. Okay, now let's see through the pictures. So what is the meaning of heaviest and lightest? Where do we use these two terms, heaviest and lightest? When we measure or compare the weight of more than two objects or two things, there we use the terms heaviest and lightest. As ma'am showed you that ma'am compared three things: water bottle filled with water, tape roll, and phone. Here I used three things. In the same way, Aryavi observed the weight of three things: chair, table, and flag. Then he come to know that ma'am, flag is the lightest one. Okay, so our ma'am is showing you three vehicles. Yuhani, just observe the vehicles: bicycle, motorbike, and car. Bicycle, motorbike, and car. Now tell me, Yuhani, which one is the heavier? Which one is the heavier?
Car.
Car. Very good. And which one is the lighter? Which one is the lightest?
Lighter.
Lightest. सबसे हल्की कौन सी होगी? Car is the heaviest. And which one is the lightest?
जोर से बोलो, क्या ये?
Cycle.
Bicycle. Very good. So bicycle will be the lightest one. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. Now here you can observe. Listen. Let me call the name. Yes, Gariman, unmute yourself. Here you can see on the table. What is there on the table? Can you observe these three things? Can you tell me the name of these three things? What is it?
Pencil, bank.
Pencil, book, and feather. Okay. Now tell me, which one is the heaviest? Which one is the heaviest?
P.
Book. Which one is the heaviest? Book. And which one is the lightest? Which one is the lightest?
Panko.
Feather. Very good. Heaviest, lightest. Athav is there. Yes, Athav. Unmute yourself. Can you see the forest scene is there?
Yes, ma'am.
So how many animals you can see on the screen?
Hathi, giraffe,
Speak in English. Speak in English. Elephant.
elephant,
Yes.
giraffe, and monkey.
So Athav, can you observe which one animal is the heaviest animal?
Elephant,
And which one animal is the lightest animal?
monkey.
Very nice. Though the lightest one is that and the heaviest one is yeah. Very good. Very good. Now can you see? Can you see? A fruit basket is over there. Okay? A fruit basket is over there. Two fruits are here. True? Can you tell me? Two fruits are here. Watermelon and an apple. Dhruv, unmute yourself. Dhruv?
You like it?
Yes, Harvika, unmute yourself. Harvika, can you tell me which one fruit is the heaviest fruit and which one fruit is the lightest fruit?
Like that heaviest watermelon or apple.
See, three things are there now. Watermelon, apple and flower. Okay? Now you have to compare these three things. Three fruits, three things, two fruits and one flower. Now tell me which one is the heaviest? Heaviest. Watermelon. Very good. And which one is the lightest? Yes? Which one is the lightest?
Apple.
Apple or flower?
Yes.
Heaviest is watermelon, Harvika, and flower is the lightest one. Okay? Now can you see? Can you see the picture, Vardhan? Vardhan, unmute yourself. What you can see in this picture, Vardhan?
Cow
Yes.
and
Hen. Very good. Vardhan, unmute yourself, bacha, again. You are muted. Yes. Cow, hen, and what are these yellow, small?
chicken.
Yes, chickens. Now tell me, Vardhan, which one is heaviest?
Cow.
Cow. And which one is the lightest? Yes, cow is the heaviest. And chickens are the lightest. Very good, very good. Now let's play a game. Let's play a game. So everyone, please, I will call the name only that child. I will call the name only that child will circle the things. Okay? Please don't use your pencil again and again. Okay? Now Yuvani is there. And Yuvani, use your device pencil, bacha. Circle the heaviest in each of the following. आपको यहाँ पर मैम ने 3 things display की हैं. One is pineapple, one is tomato, and one is strawberry. Now what you have to do, you have to circle the heaviest in each of the following group. Ma'am will keep on displaying the groups of things. Okay, so you have to circle the heaviest one only. Let's circle. Which one is the heaviest?
बताओ पहले मैम को, फिर सर्कल करो.
Which one is the heaviest, Shivani?
सर्कल करो बच्चे से.
Yes. Circle it fast. Hurry up. Yes, Shivani. Very good. Very good. Very good. Thank you so much, Shivani. Thank you so much.
Okay. ये क्या है?
Now, Dhruv, use your device pencil, bacha. Unmute yourself. Here, mom also displaying. Mom is displaying now dog, honeybee, and cow. So in this group, you have to circle the heaviest one. Which one is the heaviest?
Tell which is the heaviest.
Which one is the heaviest? Circle it. Hurry up.
This is a
honeybee.
बताओ इसमें.
Yes, cow is the heaviest. Very nice. Now can you see again over there 3 pictures are here? Balloons, a bag, and a tiffin box. Okay? Balloon, a bag filled with books. Okay? And a lunch box. Okay? Now circle the heaviest one. Which one is the heaviest? Hurry up, circle the heaviest one. No, Vidit, no. Yes, Harvika. Harvika is doing correct. Yes, Harvika, very nice, very nice. Now listen carefully. In the above group of pictures, what you have to do, you have to circle the heaviest object. Screw tightener is there, pin is there, and hammer is there. So which one is the heaviest? Very good, Chinakshi. Now, in another group, there you can see ice cream is there, toffee is there, cake is there. So circle the lightest object. Now lightest, with it listen first, bacha. Then use your device pencil. Lightest object. Yes, this one is correct. Very good. Very good. Great, great everyone. Now again, mom is showing 2 groups. In the above group, you have to circle the lightest object. And in the second group, you have to circle the lightest object. Heaviest, lightest. So which one is the heaviest? Glass, spoon. Yes, no. Heaviest. Bacha, circle the heaviest one. Lightest is correct. Heaviest is also correct. Done by Gariman, Aryaveer. Very nice. Thank you so much everyone for learning the concept. Okay. Now my dear kids, collect any 3 things or objects around your house and put them on your table. Lift them one by one and just feel which one is the heaviest and which one is the lightest. Yes. In this way, you will be able to measure the weight of things. Very good, Aryaveer. Yes, Vardhan. What you are having on your table?
Heavy.
Vardhan, what are you having?
Heavy.
Specs box in
Speak up, Vardhan, speak up.
box
Okay.
and eraser.
Eraser. And the third one is
Empty box.
box. An empty box. An empty box, Vardhan.
Yeah.
So which one is the heaviest one? Can you lift them one by one and tell me which one is the heaviest? Lift it and show me. Yay, very good. And which one is the lightest? Which one is the lightest? Well done, bacha, well done. Very good, very good. Thank you so much. Now with it. With it, what you are having on your table? Yes, with it.
Heavy Vaseline.
Okay, battery is the heaviest one. Heavy nahi bolenge. You are comparing three things na. So you will use the word heaviest. Battery is heaviest. Or Vaseline bottle is there. Vaseline bottle is there, bacha. है ना? So which one is the lightest? Which one is the lightest with it?
Marker.
Marker. Very good. Well done, bacha. Well done.